guys, Lisa with the Lethbridge Public Library Children's Services here, and I have got a great simple craft for you that you can make with just supplies you probably have around the house right now. So we're going to make some coffee filter flowers together. Let's get started. So all you need to make your coffee filter flowers are the coffee filters, some washable markers, some water, and a few pipe cleaners. So to start, we'll put some paper towel down just to go underneath our project. And we're just going to get one coffee filter and put it right in the middle. Alright, so the first thing to do is just color randomly with the colors you've chosen, as many or as little as you like, all over your coffee filter. So we'll start with just some random colors, just all over the place, however you want it to go. You can add another one in, you can add 2, you can add 10, whatever you want your flower to look like. So once you get the entire coffee filter covered in color, it's going to look like this. And once you get it to this stage, you're just going to leave it sitting right there on your paper towel, and we're going to spray it with water. So we want to spray it really well. You want to get it really nice and wet. And as you get it wet, you will start to notice those colors bleed together. So give it a good soaking. And once you've got it nice and wet and you can see those colors starting to bleed together, we'll just set it to the side to dry. So I'll move this one out of the way. And once it's all dried up, you're going to have a lovely multicolored coffee filter just like that. The last step is very, very simple. You're just going to take one of your pipe cleaners and you're going to grab your filter in the middle. So grab it right in the middle and pinch it together till it makes a lovely little point just like that. And you're just going to wrap the edge of your pipe cleaner around. And you get that around like that, and there you have it. You have a beautiful coffee filter flower. And there you have it, a beautiful coffee filter flower bouquet that you can give to someone you love. Thanks for joining me today.